Ethan and Bella eating fish balls. Oh, there's a fish ball there. What can you say, Bella? It tastes good?
Yeah, it tastes good and they really like it.
How about Ethan? Ethan,
It tastes good in the white.
tastes good? What is the taste good one? The sauce? You like
That's why
it?
I eat it.
You like it?
Yep.
Oh, Ethan, your turn. Then after, say thank you, ah. Oh, say thank you. Say thank you. Tastes good.